Okay, we have figured it out, and I'm going to go ahead and open it now. Regardless of what I find good or bad, I mean, well, if it's bad, I'm not going to dig into it, basically. I can't imagine it's anything except bad, but, you know, this is how we're going to find out. I have no idea what we're going to encounter. Absolutely none. So, I guess let's go. It's been what, 10 days? The inside of the dial is exactly the same as it was. I don't know what I'm gonna need present. So I'm looking at this and I'm like, well, you know what? First things first. Let's get the bracelet off. I don't want to be fiddling around, wrapping things around in circles. That's no fun. Nobody enjoys that. Out. There is the location of the bit that failed. By the way, it goes right there. That is what doomed this watch. Doom. No, it can't be that old. It's not SBDX017. Look, it's got a Prospects crown.
What's the phone number that keeps calling you?
Hang on just one second. Sorry, I had to run off. Sorry, I should have geared up before I hit record. So I had just gotten to the point where I had cracked this off, but I hadn't actually looked under it yet. Somebody came and got me right when I did that. So we are going to find out together what we got. Okay, so we got, okay, it looks like we got some liquid water in here. I know you'd said there had been some, oh boy, there had been some cleaning done to get rid of the marine growth and other stuff that's in there. Okay. Hang on a second for me. It's just after dinner time here, and it is freaking zoo. I can't wait for the day. Now I have an office. There's a lock on the door from the house to the office. That's in pretty good shape. Wow, it looks like the dial is delaminating. Not sure, but that's, oh good. Are we recording? Yeah. You know, yeah. It's gonna be just acres of fun. All right, hang on. I don't normally do this either, but there we go. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Now I think that might be into the case. Okay. Wasn't sure about that, so let's figure that out. Ooh, let's get some protective film. I have no idea what we're going to find. I haven't looked at this, and I got no idea. I'm not even sure that I'll be able to open this. I mean, I might have to pause and take it over to the big bench-mounted one. We'll see. I just wanted to show you this. So this is the big, that's the big bench mount right there. So the way that these work is you can actually, you lock them down. You lock it so it can't come in and the jaws can't come out, and the whole thing's bolted to the bench, and the bench is bolted to the wall, which is bolted to the foundation. I was able to get it to crack. Whew. I mean, in the sense of get it to start moving. It's really fighting me. It is not happy, but I did want to show you what it looked like so far. Yikes. Okay, I don't know what we're gonna get, but it sure doesn't want to. Okay, yeah, I sort of got a feel for it the moment I put the case back tool on it, that it absolutely was not going to move, and I had to, even after that last video, man, I had to really lean on this thing, but I did get it. So here it is. I don't even know what I'm going to find. Well, there's water. I'll tell you that for nothing. Salt. And this crown is good and frozen. Ooh, no, I got it. Damn, I must have shifted it somehow. You know, there's some nice rust. Oh, goody. Let's... yeah, okay. Jesus. Gosh. Let me get this out of here. Okay, let me get this out real quick. Well, it's not as bad as I feared, but it's not great, like at all. I thought it'd be worse, but this is that situation I was talking about where I open it up and there's, it just hasn't had oxygen near it. There's literally liquid water still inside the movement. It's got, yeah, like literally there's water and it's leaving salt behind. Jesus. Oh, it's got broken teeth. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Look at that, man. Look at that. These teeth are gone. Yeah, automatic winding. Junk. Yeah, like literal water. I mean, I can take this apart, but it's not... I don't know what I'm going to be able to... I mean, it's got... I haven't even opened it, and I see bad parts. There's corrosion all over it. Yeah, that's totally bad. This is pitting. Jesus. If I rip into this, it's going to be real interesting. This isn't. It's some of this. I'm amazed that it that as much of it, quote unquote, survived as it did. But you know, I've had movements that looked like this, and they just, the damage can be just insane. Okay, so I am going to and I really, really wish I could rip into this, but I can't. It's not going to go anywhere, and it's not my watch. And I wouldn't recommend doing anything to it from your perspective. It's going to be, the damage is going to start in for real now. It's going to be something. So I'm going to put this stuff in it. I don't know what I'm going to do. The thing is, yeah, I could rip it apart, and quote unquote, you know, see if it can be serviced. I guarantee you I will not be able to get it. running reliably. And it's going to be really expensive. I don't know, man. I keep wanting to say it's up to you, but you know, there's a limit to what people are. I mean, I can do it, but it's going to be. I mean, I should be able to do it, but it's going to be really expensive. Like, you know, if the watch still had like, you know, still had barnacles on it, that'd be awesome. But what up, Spencer? What are you doing? God, it's not your watch, man. Put this thing away. Yeah, I'm sorry, man. So please let me know what you want to do with it. I can rip into it. I wouldn't recommend that. Oh yeah, and the pitting, by the way, it got all the way through the bottom of the cassette. It ate all the way in through here and across the rubber over here, and it invaded that way also through the crown where the seal got it. Ugh. Okay. You let me know. You let me know what you want to do. It's you know, yeah. Okay, you let me know. I think it's roasted, but that's me. I mean, we've already got some bad parts. Except, you know, we'll figure it out.